guys, hope you're doing good, and today I'm going to tell you something very important. You might have heard this, that the fisherman never goes for fishing when it's raining very heavily. Instead what he does, he sits back and prepares his net. Even in our life, guys, there comes a time, and even this is the time where we are into in our homes, and where we should utilize this time to build our skills, to build our knowledge, to build our learning, so that once the lockdown is over, once we are out of this period, we come out with the our greatest capabilities, and we get those results once we have worked on it. And there are challenging periods when we are not allowed, or we don't get results when we go out and work. That is the time where you sit in your homes, or you sit inside your home, so that you work on yourself, you work on those skills, you work on those learnings, so that you will get a substantial result. And it's happened that there are two kinds of work. One work is that you have that learning and you go out and you execute that work, and other learning is that when you don't get that result, you work on yourself, so that whatever is the blocker, or whatever you are lacking to get that result, you learn it and you overcome that over a period of the time by working on yourself. So that the example, fisherman doesn't go to fish because he knows that in that stormy weather, in that heavy rain, he will not be able to fish, but instead he sits back and he prepares that net. Even when we are into this period now, when we are in this lockdown period, we need to work on our skills, we need to work on our learnings, so that when we learn it daily, then we'll start getting results also. That is the key, and I wanted you to know about this, so that you start taking that action. And guys, if you haven't took that action for your goals or for your dreams even today, then you are really missing a biggest and your greatest opportunity for this life. So people, please start working on your goals. Take that goal, take that one dream which you really want to happen in this life, work upon it. Today and now is the best time where you can put all what you can and learn and acquire those skills. And guys, you might have heard this, that the best time to plant tree was 5 years back, and the second best time is today. So even it applies for your goals. If you haven't took that action, or if you haven't started to work on your goals, please work on your goals. Start taking that action. No matter what blocker you are getting, no matter what negative comments you are getting, don't worry about it. Because what I would like to tell you is that if the fisherman would have think about the negative comments of the people around them, then he would have not gone. And deep inside, the fisherman also knows that people who are non-vegetarian, they love fish, and he wants that fishing to be done. He doesn't care about that negative comments also. So his main aim is to go and do that fishing. So even it applies to our goals, that no matter what blocker you are getting, no matter what negative comment you are getting, don't worry about it. People will come to you when you achieve all those, and they will ask you how you did this, and then guys, tell the strategies to them, so that even they get those results. Hope you loved this one, and people, please hit the like, and please double tap.